Hello everyone and welcome back to SpeakRise YT. My name is Muhammad Amin.
And I'm Alex. Welcome back, everyone.
Today we're going to talk about something very important for English learners.
Yes, and honestly, I think many learners don't practice this enough.
Listening.
Exactly.
I listen to English almost every day. I watch English videos, listen to conversations, and sometimes listen to English songs.
Okay, that's good. But here's the question. Are you really listening? Or are you just hearing English?
Oh, that's a difficult question.
Don't worry. Today we're going to explain the difference. And we're also going to practice together.
So listen carefully.
And don't be afraid to repeat after us.
Let's begin. Part 1. Listening versus hearing.
Mohammed, let me ask you something. When you are outside and you hear a car, do you listen carefully to the sound?
Not really, I just hear it.
Exactly. You hear the sound, but you don't pay attention to it.
So hearing and listening are different?
Yes, hearing happens naturally. Listening requires attention.
Let me give an example. If you're studying English and someone says, "I'm going to school," you hear the words.
Right.
But if I listen carefully, I notice how the person says the sentence.
Exactly. You notice the pronunciation, the rhythm, the speed, and the way the words connect.
So I shouldn't only ask myself, what does this sentence mean?
Correct. You should also ask, how does this person say it?
That's interesting.
And you don't have to understand every single word.
Really?
Yes, that's one of the biggest mistakes learners make. Part 2. You don't need to understand every word.
Sometimes when I watch English videos, I hear a word I don't know. Then I stop the video.
And what happens next?
I think about that word. Then I look for the meaning. Then I watch again.
And after that?
I hear another word I don't know.
And then you stop again.
Exactly. Sometimes a 10-minute video takes me 30 minutes.
That's not always helpful.
Why?
Because your main goal should be understanding the message, not understanding every single word.
So if I understand 80%,
That's already useful practice.
and what about the other 20%?
You can learn it later.
That makes sense.
Think about it this way. Imagine you're having a conversation with a friend. Your friend says something you don't understand. Do you stop the conversation and analyze every word?
No, I usually ask, what do you mean?
Exactly. That's real communication. Part 3. Listening can help you speak.
But Alex, how can listening improve speaking?
Good question. When you listen again and again, your brain becomes familiar with English.
Familiar?
Yes. For example, imagine you hear this sentence many times. What are you doing? After hearing it many times, you don't need to think about every word.
Right, what are you doing?
Exactly.
So I'm learning a whole phrase, not only individual words.
That's very important.
Instead of learning, what are you doing, I learn, what are you doing?
Exactly.
That's much easier for speaking.
And much more natural.
Part 4. Learn phrases, not only words. Okay, let's practice.
Great idea. Let's take a simple word, busy. You can learn the word busy, but you can also learn useful phrases.
Like, I'm busy.
Good.
Are you busy?
Excellent.
I've been busy today.
Very good.
So when I learn a word, I should learn how people actually use it.
Exactly. Let's try another one. Interested.
I am interested in English.
Perfect.
Are you interested in football?
Yes. And now you can use that pattern with many things.
I am interested in business.
Good.
I am interested in technology.
Exactly.
This is actually fun.
English becomes easier when you use it.
Part 5. Listen to the same thing more than once. How many times should I listen to something?
There isn't one perfect number, but repeating the same short material can be very useful.
So I don't always need a new video?
Exactly. Sometimes one short conversation is better than 10 random videos.
Why?
Because repetition helps you notice things you missed the first time.
Let's demonstrate.
Okay, fast. Just listen.
I usually practice English in the evening because I have more free time.
Did you understand the main idea?
Yes, you practice English in the evening because you have more free time.
Exactly.
I usually practice English in the evening because I have more free time.
This time, notice the rhythm.
I usually practice English.
Good. And don't worry if you can't copy the pronunciation perfectly. Just try. Part 6. Don't be afraid of natural English.
Alex, sometimes native speakers talk very fast,
Yes,
and then I understand nothing.
that's normal.
So what should I do?
Don't start with extremely fast English. Start with clear and simple English, then slowly increase the difficulty.
So it's like exercise?
Exactly. You don't start with the hardest exercise. You start at your level and improve step by step.
I like that.
And remember, you don't need to sound like a native speaker.
Then what should I focus on?
Being clear, being confident, and being able to communicate.
That's a very important point. Part 7. Listen and repeat.
Now let's do some practice with everyone watching.
Okay, everyone listen first, then repeat.
I'm trying to improve my English.
I practice a little every day.
Excellent. Next. I don't understand everything, but I keep listening.
I don't understand everything, but I keep listening.
Very good. One more. I'm getting better step by step.
I'm getting better step by step.
Great job. Part 8. A small, real conversation.
Let's have a natural conversation now.
Okay, I'll start. Mohammed, what do you usually do when you have free time?
Well, I usually watch English videos.
Oh, really? What kind of videos?
English learning videos. And sometimes I watch videos about technology.
Nice. Do you listen to English every day?
I try to. Sometimes I'm busy.
That's okay. Even 10 minutes can help.
Actually, I think consistency is more important than studying for many hours once a week.
Absolutely.
What about you, Alex? What do you do to improve your English?
I listen to conversations, repeat useful phrases, and speak whenever I can.
So we both practice in similar ways.
Exactly.
Maybe we're good students.
Maybe. Part 9. A simple daily listening plan.
Okay, Alex, give our viewers a simple listening plan.
Sure. Here's a simple plan. Step 1. Listen for 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, start small. Step 2. Listen to the same short conversation again.
Ooh, yes. Okay.
Step 2. Listen to the same short conversation again.
Ooh, okay.
Step 3. Write down 3 useful phrases.
Only 3?
Yes, you don't need to learn 20 phrases at once.
Good, because I would forget 19 of them.
Maybe. And step 4. Use those 3 phrases in your own sentences.
That's important.
Very important.
So I should learn something.
And then use it.
Exactly.
Part 10. Use English in your daily life.
Can I practice listening without sitting at a desk?
Of course. You can listen while doing simple daily activities.
Like walking?
Yes, or while you're getting ready for school, or when you're cleaning your room.
so I can make English part of my daily life.
Exactly. You don't always need a special study session.
That's good news.
But remember, when you're doing something that requires your full attention, don't let listening distract you.
Of course, safety first.
Exactly. Part 11. The biggest mistake.
What is the biggest mistake English learners make with listening?
I think many learners give up too quickly.
Because they don't understand?
Yes, they listen to something once. They understand only half, and they think, my English is terrible.
I've felt like that before.
But that's the wrong conclusion.
What should they think instead?
Think, I do understand it yet.
Not, I can't understand English.
Exactly. Say, I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Good.
That sounds much more positive.
And realistic.
Part 12. Final challenge. Okay, everyone, let's finish with a small challenge.
Yes. I'm going to say 5 sentences. Listen carefully, then try to repeat them.
Sentence 1. I listen to English every day.
Sentence 2. I don't need to understand every word.
Sentence 3. I learn useful phrases from conglasses.
Sentence 4. I practice speaking after I listen.
And the final one, I will improve my English step by step.
Excellent. If you repeated those sentences,
You just practiced English with us.
so Mohammed, what did we learn today?
We learned that hearing and listening are different.
Good.
We learned that we don't need to understand every single word.
Exactly.
We learned to listen to useful phrases.
Yes.
We learned to repeat.
And most importantly,
We learned that improvement takes time.
don't worry if you don't understand everything today.
Keep speaking.
And speak with confidence.
See you in the next video.
They bay, everyone! Subscribe this channel to learn more.
Bye.